Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of these traditional and authentic Maharashtrian Modaks. These are basically called Ukadiche Modak. Ukadiche Modak means coconut stuffed rice flour dumplings. These are super soft from outside and super tasty from the inside. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first let's make the stuffing. For that in a pan take 1 teaspoon of ghee. To that add 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. Also add your choice of dry fruits. Roughly chop them and add. I have added cashews and almonds here. Roast them for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add 1 cup of grated fresh coconut. Mix and roast for a minute. Then add half cup of jaggery. Mix and cook until the mixture turns a little dry. This takes 3 to 4 minutes. Then add a pinch of salt, half teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Mix well and cook for a minute. Our stuffing is ready now. Allow it to cool down. Let's prepare the modak dough now. For that in a kadai heat 3/4 cup of water and add 1/4 cup of milk to it. To that add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Let it come to a boil. Then gradually add and mix 1 cup of rice flour. Keep the flame on low and mix well. After it comes together, turn off the heat cover and rest for 5 minutes. Then transfer it to a plate or a flat surface. Use a bowl to knead if it's too hot for you. It's important to knead it while it's warm or hot. When the heat is manageable, knead with a wet palm. Apply water on your palm if needed for the dough to come together. When the dough comes together, add 1 teaspoon of ghee and give it a mix. Our super soft and smooth dough is formed now. Now let's shape the modaks. For that, apply ghee on palms and take a small portion of dough, flatten it out using fingers. Now pinch the borders with 3 fingers like so to form the gullies of the modaks. A bowl-like shape is formed now. Add the stuffing in the center. Before closing, fold the gullies in one direction like so. This makes sure our gullies are perfectly in place. Now seal the edges and pinch the top to give the modak shape. So a perfectly shaped modak is ready now. This is how they traditionally make the modaks. Otherwise you can also make the modaks using a modak mold. These types of molds are also available in markets. For making the modaks in the mold, apply ghee in the inside of the modak mold. Now close the modak and place the modak dough inside and press it to the side so that it sticks to the sides and gives it the shape. Now add stuffing in the center and use a small portion of the dough to close the open end of the modak. Remove the excess dough and now carefully open the mold to take out the modak. See how perfect it looks. So this is the easy way of making the modaks. You can also try it out. Now let's steam the modaks. For that, place a banana leaf on a steamer plate and keep it inside the steamer. Place the modaks on it. Now add saffron soaked water on top of the modaks. This gives a different aroma and flavor to the modaks. Now cover and steam the modaks for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, our modaks are perfectly steamed now. They look so good. Take out on a plate to serve Lord Ganpati. This is the favorite prasad for Lord Ganpati, and as in Maharashtra, Ganesh Chaturthi is a big festival, so these are made in every household during this time. While serving, add ghee on top. This is completely optional, but traditionally they do so. So our tasty Ukadiche Modaks are ready. These are so delicious. The stuffing is so good and the outside is so soft. So do try it out yourselves this Ganesh Chaturthi and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.